Two, three, four. How about now? You guys getting the sound now? Interesting. Okay. Hopefully the sound is coming through now. You guys can hear me loud and clear. I'm not sure what's going on with that mic. We are outside. I am in sunny South Carolina and enjoying a chilly morning. It's only roughly, I don't know, I think it's 50 degrees here, but there is no snow, Greg Ugaldi. There is no snow. And I have to tell you, it's beautiful down here. We went to Pirates of the Caribbean last night with our kids for their birthday, and they had a wonderful time. Testing, one, two, three, testing. All right, we're gonna give this one a try. If this one doesn't work, though, then I'm just gonna go to the regular mic. So I'm not sure what's going on here. All right, so I'm not sure where we left off, but we will be in China, and we will be coming to you live from China. In fact, I'm not even going to mess with these mics anymore. I may just change over to something else. So, it's always technology. What do you do with it? But if you didn't hear me, let me go back to what I was saying. We're going to be in China. We are going, well, I'm not going to be in China. Okay, that's it. We're going straight to the computer. Mike, apologize if you get a little bit of wind. Hopefully this is coming through loud and clear. Not sure what's going on with the mics there, but clearly something. Last time, we got a lot coming up. We got a lot going on. We're going to have a lot of fun chatting this morning about what we did last week, what we have coming up this week, all the great International Builder Show award winners we had on the show this past Tuesday. If you did not see that, you should go. You should go and check it out and join us for that. I'm going to turn this. I'm trying to keep the sun out of my eyes, but it keeps blowing my umbrella the other way. Man, thanks, Greg. I'm glad we're all clear, loud and clear. Perfect. We're going to be using this moving forward. We won't have that issue anymore. So, how did we start off the week, right? Coming back from the International Builders Show, huge success. We had so much fun at the International Builders Show. I couldn't believe the amount of people. I couldn't believe the energy and the excitement. We had just a great time. And we had a great time kicking off our week with the global award winner at the International Builder Show, Huga. That's right. Huga was on our show, and they were absolutely amazing. So they were the Global Innovation Award winners, and they're using concrete modular with a with a disruptive technology on how you put it together, whether it's 2D or 3D. You can build in a factory or you can build right on location and on site. And that's what's amazing with it. I got my Autovol glass here this morning. Got to keep myself warm. Can you see the steam coming out? So Hugo was amazing. If you don't know Huga, you should check them out. Can you believe that an off-site manufacturing and technology company won the Global Innovation Award at the International Builder Show 2022? Folks, we are getting somewhere with off-site construction, modern methods of construction. The times are changing, and the world's starting to see it. And that is what's so amazing about it. So that was so great to have them on the show and to share what they are doing. So then we moved on to Tuesday. What do you mean Tuesday? Yes, we had a special show Tuesday because we wanted to make sure that we had the other award winners on from the International Builder Show. So who was on the show on Tuesday, you may ask? Well, we're going to go through that. If you missed it, if you missed the Best of IBS Awards Tuesday show, guess what? It's on our YouTube channel. You can go check it out. You can subscribe and you can look at it. Or you can just follow up with us on this right here. We're going to show you just a couple things quickly. Let me pull up my other screen so I can flash through. We started off again. Now, these folks didn't win the award. They were in the startup zone, but they deserve an award because the way they're doing their structures, which are insulated, they take no tools to put together. It is not a shed. It is a living dwelling unit. Bill Schofield was on helping us introduce this, and it's all about humanitarian shelters and business storage. So these can be used two ways. And again, listen to me, they can be flat packed. There are no tools required for any of it. Just put it and snap it together. Aptum Build, you should check it out. It's actually a really, really cool technology that they're doing for sure. And then we had On3 on. Gene Conger, that's right. Gene Conger was also part of the IBS Awards panel with me, which I got to moderate this year, which was so cool. We had a great time. But On3, check out their helmets. I did an article on this week. Yes, I did an article. For somebody who hates writing, I put an article together, a little bit of plagiarism, but we got it out there, had some fun with it. But imagine this immersive learning, right, through a hard hat. Imagine immersive training through a hard hat. You could do training courses from anywhere in the world. You can record the training. You can live stream the training. You can actually, from somewhere else, stream into whoever's wearing that hard hat and have a conversation with them, see what they're seeing, or show them, because they can see as well, show them how to do something or what the detail is. This was super cool. If you're not familiar with On3, they are really changing how things are. You should check them out. We're hopefully going to get one of these helmets. We're going to try it. We're going to see if we can live stream our show with an On3 helmet. How cool is that? Well, if you're a techie guy like me and like this stuff, that's cool to me, but it's not like I need any more stress with live streaming, something new. I'm barely figuring out the ones we got. Span was on the show. Best energy efficient product and best home technology product, right? Check out this sub panel. This company had a lot of rage, a lot of attention at the International Builder Show. Their booth was packed. That's right. Span Gen 2 Smart Panel. Packed, right? They reinvented the electrical panel so homeowners can intelligently monitor and control their home and energy and charge their EVs, making it easier, right, to power their lives and save money and control the energy. Hey, the kids left the refrigerator door open. Ding, ding, ding. My kids must have left the refrigerator door. I'm using more energy than I should. Hey, can you shut the refrigerator door? Right. This is what we're talking about. You can monitor your energy. You can see where the waste is coming. And this can be used in an existing house or retrofit homes. It's a super cool product. We had Ryan Harris, who was the chief revenue officer, on discussing this. You definitely want to check out Span. Now, remember, everybody goes, well, maybe it's expensive. Oh, maybe it is. But what if you're saving money on the back end for years and years and years? This is a cool technology. And if you're not familiar with it and you're looking to upgrade your sub panel or you're looking to build something new or renovate, I would check them out. This is super cool. Now, maybe you're not looking to upgrade your sub panel. Maybe you're looking to upgrade your switches. Swidget. We got Swidget in the house. Now, how cool is Swidget? Are you guys familiar with Swidget? I am. I did an interview with them. They were also part of the judging. So they were part of somebody I was judging. But if you look at what we're looking at here on the screen, if you're not familiar with it, Swidget is a plug and play system. So you can see the switches all across the top, and then they have these little holes. And across the bottom of the screen, you see all the little adaptive computer chip type things that can go in there. Those are sensors, those are cameras, those are alarms, those are USB plugs. They can detect moisture in your walls. You can monitor your kids' rooms. This is super powerful. And if you're a builder, you put this in when you're building, you can put cameras all throughout the construction site as the work's being done. And now you have little IP cameras all through the house. And when you're done, you pull your cameras out or you pull your sensors out and they put in what the customer wants in each room. How cool is that? So it's not just for the consumer, as a contractor, as a builder, as a remodeler, or any of those things, you want to monitor what's going on. This allows you to do it, and it's reusable. And they're made to be removed so you can add new stuff, and as new product comes out, you can plug and play. So we had Chris Adamson on, co-founder and the president of Swidget. So you want to check them out, go to their website and take a look, swidget.com. Super cool technology, one of my favorites of the show. Except for these guys. Evolve Stone, are you kidding me? You can hang stone with a stainless steel finish gun. Yes. And it's like 300 pounds per square inch pull-out capacity. They're not coming off. And it looks real. It looks super real. I've held it. Look at the pictures. They nailed it. This is going to go through the roof. This is going to take affordable housing, look and feel of what you can do to build an existing project, upgrade an existing product. You don't have to put footers in to carry the weight loads. You don't have to put ledgers in on the existing foundation to carry the weight loads. Just nail it up. You might want to run a straight line just so you can look professional. You want to look a little professional, but no, you can lay this out in real time as a homeowner, as a contractor. Obviously, like anything else, there is tricks to trades, and you're not going to master it on your first go. But this is an amazing technology that has not been seen before. I highly recommend you check out Evolve Stone. I highly recommend it. This is something you want to use. And if you want to, when you call them, you tell them Dave Cooper sent you there. I guarantee they'll treat you very good. We're going to have some promo codes on this stuff here shortly, so you guys can get discounts from the Dave Cooper Live. And there you go. That's the Evolve Stone, guys. They won the Best in Show. Look at them. Look how happy they are, right? Look how happy. They really care. They care about their family. They care about their business. COVID was not good to them. Like a lot of people, it really slowed down everything they were working on, but not now. Now they are rocking and rolling. Now they won Best in Show at one of the biggest home building shows in the world. Evolve Stone, man, I'm proud of all of them. I think they did an absolute amazing job. So big round of applause for all of them. All right. So let's take a look at some of the chats, and then we're going to get into what's coming up this week, to include when our factory tour in China is coming up. Yes. I was invited to go there, but they're closed down. So that would have been cool. Who wants to go to China with me? Anybody out there go to China and check out a modular factory with everything going on in the world? I would definitely go. Definitely go. All right, let's move some of the captions that we have on here off, if I can find them. There's a lot going on. Go to my chat. Good morning, Jen and Dave, from Mr. Greg Ugaldi. It's always good to see you. Michael Bruce, always good to start my Saturday off with you as well, my friend. I know we had some sound issues, but that's all right. We're back in it. Hey, Aaron Jones, good morning to you. Good to see you. Hey, Mateo, what's happening? Hey, I think we're talking this week, right, Mateo? I'm looking forward to having that conversation with you. Definitely looking forward to it. So as we move through our list of people, I see Jennifer's putting all kinds of great stuff up for the event winners. Michael Bruce says there is a lot of room for innovation, action in electrical systems. It is one of the most time-consuming aspects of building, isn't it, though? You're absolutely right. It is a very time-consuming aspect of building. So I appreciate the comment, Michael. It's good to see you. I'm so happy you guys show up and join me on Saturday mornings. Oh, there's my mom, everybody. I'll go. Love your mom. All right, you want to go to China with me, Mom? I don't know. It may not be a real good idea. Could you see me in China running around with a film crew? I don't know. I got my short military haircut. They may think something other of me. I don't know. I'm just teasing. I think I would go in a heartbeat because there's good people working everywhere, and I think that's what's amazing with it for sure. Let me send a little shout out here real quick. I got something I got to do. I saw Mark Willie's looking to join the show this morning. So let me just do that with it real quick. I'll send him a quick link. Mark Willie, you guys know that guy? Anybody know Mark Willie? I'm going to send through LinkedIn, Mark, if you're watching, we'll get you a quick link out the door here for you. Let him pop in with us. So, all right, new messages. Mateo says, what do you say, Mateo? Maybe wireless light switches do that. We don't run wires in the walls. That's all coming. I think that is all coming. Let me tell you something else that's coming, Mateo. Low voltage. Right? Imagine if you could just spackle wires into the spackling on your wall, right? Or your walls actually become the system and you can plug in anywhere on these walls with low voltage. There's companies working on this. There's things that are happening now. So it's super cool and it's going to be a lot of fun to see moving forward. Who else we got here? Good morning, everyone. First time being in a live stream. I believe I am following a few of you on LinkedIn. Bobby Neil Jackson. Hey, Bobby, great to have you. Listen, you're going to find from the group of people that are on here and the thousands of others that kind of tag in and out when we do our shows through the week, say hello, network, do business together. There's amazing people that are part of this stream. So all of you out there, Mateo and all the rest of you, reach out to Bobby and say hello and definitely find out a little bit more. Bobby, tell us what you do. We'll chat about it. Gotta go further. Peter Molinar, what's happening, brother? Good to see you. Evolve Stone got high praise from R&R Buildings, aka Kyle Stumpford. All right, you want to see some cool from Kyle? He does the barn builds, man, and they are super cool. I was in Switzerland with Kyle. This guy, Kyle, has 1 million followers on YouTube. He's a really cool cat, and you're right. If he gets high praises, I believe it. The guy is skilled. He knows his trade very, very well. And I'm glad that I got to be part of his inner circle there for a little while. So super, super cool. Yeah, I know what you said, Mateo, about not running wires in the wall. I think it'll get there, but I think we're a ways off from that for sure. So where in China are you going? I've been to China. I'm not going to China just yet. We have a factory coming on that does all their manufacturing in China. They build all over the world, and we're going to showcase that what they're doing inside the factory and the level of finish that they're doing inside their factory. I think a lot of people might be surprised by this, and you're going to be surprised on who it is too. You will be surprised. All right, let's get back to the good stuff. So, what did we do this past week? Let's catch up further on this past week, right? Wednesday, we had our good friends on from Full Stack Modular. Roger Krulak was on the show. It was really great seeing Roger. It was really great catching up with Roger. They're talking about their West Coast facility that they're opening. That's right. They are growing and they're expanding. So if you do not know Roger and what he's doing, they have written some really cool parametric design software that they use for their construction and their building. I highly suggest go check out Full Stack Modular. You'll be super happy with it. And then, of course, with BS Friday, we had Jana on, who is commissioning for our schools. Envelopes, building envelopes. What does that mean? She's an expert. We went through Friday a slideshow that she had, but she goes out and she makes sure that we are keeping schools healthy. She looks at the new schools, how they're being built, and other buildings, and they truly work very hard on making sure they're building a tight envelope. They're building an envelope that doesn't get water and mold. She is the only woman-owned business in all of Iowa that is licensed to do this. So, and we all know that when it comes to this type of work, detail work, that attention to detail is everything. And I have to tell you, you don't want anybody other than somebody like Jana doing this type of work for you. Flat out, that's the way it goes. That wind's blowing. I'm getting hit in the head with my thing again here. Let me turn this. Life on the road. So it was much warmer with the sun on me. I can tell you that. So you definitely want to tune in. Check out that show with Mark Bare Naked Willie. Just happened just yesterday. Feels, the shows go by so quick. All right, so that's what we have. Now, what is coming up Monday? You may ask. What is coming up Monday? Gotta love it. Nolan Brown, Help Save America. What? Help Save America. How offsite construction can create desirable jobs, housing affordability, and help save the environment with Nolan Brown, ADL Ventures, who is going to be fun. I get to see him next Friday because Monday I'm going to Washington, D.C., and then I'm flying out to California, San Francisco. This is going to be a fun week, but Nolan, ADL Ventures, you might have remembered right before the International Builder Show, we had Diana on the show, Fissler, who is also ADL Ventures. They do a lot with the ABC Collaborative and so many other things, working with the government on how we build better structures, better envelopes, advancing building and construction, right? So Nolan's going to be a lot of fun to have on the show. Wicked smart dude, even though he doesn't have a Boston accent. He is from the California side, the West side, the other side. But there's a lot of really good people on that side, just like there is over here. So tune in 1:00 to meet Nolan Brown. You do not want to know Nolan. He's always a little bit behind the scenes, but I can tell you, you want to know him. He's got his stuff together, and he is one of these guys I call an overachiever. I hang out with a lot of overachievers, it seems like. All right. Then what do we have on Wednesday? Back in California, Steve Glenn, Plant Prefab. Who would have thunk? Steve Glenn, Plant Prefab, will be on the show. We're going to be talking about his hybrid approach and what they're doing. They have new factories coming online as well. So we're going to find out all the inside on what they're doing. They're building in California. They're shipping all into the Midwest, Colorado. They're doing beautiful products. They are mixing wood and steel. They do have a hybrid approach, which makes for a beautiful offsite modular building. So I cannot wait to showcase that. And then we are going to finish up the week with Ben Bogey. Any of you guys know Ben Bogey? Who knows Ben Bogey? Anybody? I put this up yesterday. I'm going to put it up now because you guys should know Ben Bogey. I'm going to show you how big Ben Bogey is. Not only is he a editor and writer for Fine Home Building Magazine, Ben Bogey does a lot of training. That's right, a lot of training. He is an expert in the world of offsite, in the world of building envelopes. Let me show you. Let me just show you. Let me take this other one out. I'm going to stop that screen sharing. I'm going to screen share this one. I wish this program let me screen share more than one thing. That's him right there. Look at that smile. Mark, he's rivaling your beard, my friend. He is rivaling your beard, my friend. I don't know. We should have a beardathon between him and Mark. What do you guys think? Beardathon. So Ben Bogey will be on our show this upcoming Friday. He's going to be an awesome guest to have on. Not only does he do a lot of training, he was doing a ton of training at the Builder Show. So we're really looking forward to having him on the show coming up and celebrating everything that he's doing for sure. So that's it for the week. And then going into next week, is it next week? March 2nd. Tune in. We'll be coming to you live from the United States and from China from a modular manufacturing facility. Let me make sure that is next Tuesday. I put the wrong information out. Greg gives me a hard time. Jen gives me a hard time. But we got so much going on. It's so much fun. So much fun. I just can't even tell you how much fun. Okay, so it's March 2nd, which is Wednesday. Not Monday. It's March 2nd, Wednesday. We're going to have Jim Dunn on the show. Any of you guys know Jim Dunn from Stack Modular? That's right, Jim Dunn, Stack Modular. Did you know that his manufacturing facility is in the heart of China? Did you know that he lived in China for 10 years, 12 years, something like that? We're going to talk about this. All the news and all the press that's going on. China, isn't getting a lot of good press in the news. But does that mean everybody that does business and works and does these things with China is bad? I don't think so. I've already had the inside look at this, and it's pretty spectacular, the level of work and the pride and the craftsmanship that's going into what they're building. And they're building in Canada and all over the world. So they've been doing this a long time. So it's going to be a lot of fun to have Jim done on next Wednesday, 1 p.m. Put it on your calendar. It's a big deal to me. It's a big deal because we need to showcase everybody and what they're doing and how they're doing it and the people behind it. That's what's cool about it. So, with that said, let's see. All right, so Bobby's going back and forth. Good to see you, Bobby. I'm glad you're chatting with everybody. That's awesome. Mateo, thanks for reaching out to him. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so that's it. I got my mom confused. That's always a big deal. You know, we gotta make sure who doesn't like to confuse their mom. What the heck? All right, everybody, listen. That's it for today's show. That's the update. That's where we're going. That's where we're headed. That's where we've been. We're going to keep having fun with it. And I'm going to enjoy today and tomorrow, take a day and a half off. And then we'll be right back at it Monday I'll be here Monday, but Wednesday, I'll be coming to you live from Washington, D.C. So if you're in the Washington area on Wednesday night, you'd like to meet up, let me know. And then let me think. Then on Thursday, I'll be in San Francisco, coming home probably Saturday, Sunday. So that's a wrap. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your weekend. I'm Dave Cooper. Thank you for watching Coffee with Dave and all of you tuning in. We appreciate each and every day. And if you want to ever support us, like I said, go to buymeacoffee.com/Dave Cooper. And there's an opportunity to actually get yourself a hat and some other things there. We're going to start growing our Patreon account. So across the board and buymeacoffee.com/DaveCooper.live. We appreciate any support you want to always give us. And outside of that, we're going to keep bringing you all the best content, all the best unedited, unfiltered. Nobody tells us who comes on this show. We pick and choose based on building it better. I'm Dave Cooper. We'll see you next time. Bye now.